So first I'm going to start out by carving out my eyebrow and kind of dragging some of that white concealer onto my eyelid to make a nice uniform base. Now taking a light brown shade, I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and starting to blend that into my crease. I'm using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette to give me this shade. What I'm doing with this is helping define my crease and my eye shape that I want to create. Now taking a slightly darker brown shade, I'm going ahead and blending that into my crease as well. And now taking a smaller, more dense brush, I'm taking an even darker, more chocolatey shade and starting to blend that in and blend it into the outer V of my eye. Now taking that fluffy brush, I'm kind of blending out the shape. With white concealer, I go ahead and cut my crease. It's very important to use white concealer rather than just a skin tone concealer, since this will help give you a good base for any sort of color you want to do. In this case, I'm using blue. So I'm using this blue and just packing it on with a nice packing brush, and in a moment we're going to make it more glittery. So using a purple glittery shadow and some loose pigment, I go ahead and pack that onto the lid to help give more of a glittery effect for the blue. Now I'm just fixing the edges of my cut crease and helping define my eye shape just a little bit better here. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out and add a little more of everything pretty much. So I did eyeliner off camera just because it's impossible for me to do it on camera, but you want a nice long thin wing. Now I went ahead and started doing stuff on my lower lash line, so I filled in my